Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to actually play with your friends in a custom party on Stumble Guys. Now let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you want to do is open up your Stumble Guys application and log into your existing account. Now from there you should add your friends on Stumble Guy. So here, go to the party on the top right corner, and here you can enter a room code. Now, if you know your own room code, I'm going to show you in a second, you send your room code to your friends, and here they can actually enter the room code and join the game. Now here you can create a custom game, and as you can see, you can all create it by yourself. You can select the maps that you like, you can select the max amount of players and everything else. Now from there you can create the game. It will create the party, and as you can see right in the bottom left corner is our room code. Now you can simply send this to your friends and they can start to join you in the custom party. Now you can also add friends in here, and that's it. From there you can simply press play and you can start a game with your friends. Now it's very easy process, very standard. Now if you still get questions, leave them in the comments down below and I will help you. If this tutorial has helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, it helps me out a lot. Thanks for watching.